Canva, the one-stop shop to create content. Canva helps you or your marketing team create content for any type of platform. Experience the power of Canva today and elevate your brand to new heights with their intuitive, easy-to-use design tools and vast resource library. With Canva Content Creator, you can create and manage marketing content for all your ad campaigns, emails, social media posts, and internal comms needs. You can easily access branded content, customize, resize, and share in minutes. They move faster, increasing the output of marketing campaigns and brand building efforts. They provide you with premium templates and thousands of stocked photos you will need to create whatever content you are creating. Canva provides you with several tools to help build your brand. It is called a brand kit. For example, you can build your own logo and website. They also carry animations and all the video tools you will ever need. Grow your business by using Canva to help create your content. Canva is truly a one-stop shop for content creation.